There's not even a condemnation in receiving that revelation. It is to say, here's a fresh place. Here's a deeper place in him where you say, there's no condemnation. There is none. Because his identity is completely ours. And so the moment we still think that we have an identity that is based on the flesh nature, well, that's just who I am, then you're going to have room for condemnation. Because that's still part of your identity. But in him, his full righteousness is ours. His full life is ours. Everything he redeemed and restored is ours. And we're growing into him. No condemnation. Not for yourself and not for other people.